And I'm Wooly.
Today, we're on a super secret spy scavenger hunt. Okay, Wooly, what's next?
An old sock. Here it is. Smelly old sock. The next thing on the list is a door with 3 windows.
Can you help us find a door with 3 windows?
Nope.
I found it! A door with 3 windows. Okay, what's the next thing on the list, Wooly?
A stray dog?
Do you see a nice stray doggy anywhere? Great work! A ride, I went high up in the air and then down really fast. I felt like I was flying. At first, I didn't want to get on the ride. But I remember someone telling me that I didn't need to be afraid. When I got on, I was so nervous that I thought I was going to cry.
Ew! Strawberry chews?
Do you like Louisville turtles? Or how about walnut joys?
Here are some pretty sweet names, if you ask me. Makes me hungry for some candy.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly. Amanda, isn't this a beautiful day?
Then why does it feel so familiar?
A mango smoothie.
Been here.
You know what you need, Amanda? A mango smoothie. Let me get you one, if that's okay.
Wait, I have been to the beach, and I had a smoothie, but it wasn't mango. Why can't I remember?
Remembering things is overrated. Why live in the past?
Just stop, Wooly. It's important. I need to think. I know I had a smoothie, and it was yellow, like mango, but it didn't taste like that. It was sweet, but it was also tangy. Why can't I remember what it was?
Hey, maybe you can make Amanda a nice, sweet mango smoothie to help her feel better.
That's it. How did you know? Maggie, would you like to go to a fancy party? What should I use to cut Maggie's hair? She's going to really shake things up at this party. She's so pretty. And look, she's grinning ear to ear now. Well, Maggie, you're all grown up now. And sometimes you have to do things just for other people, even if what they want isn't right for you. Maggie is a very successful grown-up. She has a job as a doctor. She does surgeries on children. She cuts them open. And if they're very brave and don't scream, she helps them go to sleep. This color is going to look so good. She needs eyeshadow. Sorry, Maggie. It doesn't matter what you want. This is your life-changing makeover. Okay, hold still, Maggie. Okay, now where does the eyeshadow go?